Hello and welcome to our channel, Sundry Health. Today's topic is 11 evidence-based health benefits of cinnamon. Did you know that besides being a delicious flavoring agent, cinnamon is also packed with antioxidants? This makes it an excellent addition to your everyday diet. Recent studies suggest that cinnamon may assist in regulating blood sugar levels, preventing heart disease, and reducing inflammation. You can include cinnamon in various recipes to reap its health benefits, from sweet to savory dishes. However, be mindful of not overdoing it, as excessive consumption can lead to negative consequences such as interfering with medication, causing gastrointestinal problems, and triggering allergic reactions. Here are 11 evidence-based health benefits of cinnamon. Before starting, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for our channel to receive more insightful updates on nutrition and health. Your support can help us to spread the word and reach out to more people who need these tips. So, let's begin. 1. It contains powerful medicinal properties. Cinnamon, a spice derived from the inner bark of cinnamomum plants, has been used as an ingredient since ancient Egypt. It is currently widely available and used in various dishes and recipes. There are two primary types: Ceylon cinnamon, commonly regarded as true cinnamon, and cassia cinnamon, the most prevalent. Cinnamon is created by cutting the stems of cinnamon trees, removing the inner bark, and producing strips that coil into rolls known as cinnamon sticks. These sticks can be processed into cinnamon powder. The oily component of cinnamon has a distinct scent and flavor because it contains cinnamaldehyde, which is thought to be responsible for the majority of its health benefits. Overall, cinnamon is a popular spice that provides numerous health benefits. 2. Loaded with antioxidants. Cinnamon, which contains potent polyphenol antioxidants, is known to protect the body from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. Studies have demonstrated that cinnamon supplementation boosts blood antioxidant levels while decreasing inflammatory markers such as C-reactive protein. Its antioxidant properties are so strong that it can be utilized as a natural food preservative. 3. It may have anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is necessary for the body's response to infections and tissue healing, but chronic inflammation can be harmful. Cinnamon's antioxidants have anti-inflammatory properties that may reduce the risk of disease. Studies suggest that the antioxidants in cinnamon may be advantageous in this area. 4. Could improve sensitivity to insulin. Insulin is a vital hormone that regulates metabolism and energy usage and delivers blood sugar from the bloodstream to cells. Insulin resistance, which is characteristic of illnesses such as metabolic syndrome and type 2 diabetes, can cause a variety of health problems. According to several studies, cinnamon may reduce insulin resistance by enhancing insulin sensitivity, lowering blood sugar levels, and promoting better blood sugar control. Additional research is required to corroborate these findings. 5. Helps lower blood sugar levels. Cinnamon is well known for its blood sugar lowering characteristics, which include reduced insulin resistance and a slower breakdown of carbs in the digestive tract. It also contains a chemical mimicking insulin's actions, increasing glucose uptake into cells. Numerous human studies have validated cinnamon's positive effects, which include decreased fasting blood sugar levels and improved hemoglobin A1C, a sign of long-term blood sugar control. The recommended daily intake of cinnamon is 1/6 grams, 0.52 teaspoons. The effective dose is 1/6 grams, 0.52 teaspoons, daily. Please like, share, and subscribe if you find this information valuable. And click on the notification bell to ensure you never miss the next video. Thank you. 6. Could protect against heart disease. Cinnamon has been associated with a lower risk of heart disease, which is the leading cause of mortality globally. In patients with metabolic illnesses, eating at least 1.5 grams of cinnamon per day can help lower triglycerides, total cholesterol, LDL cholesterol, and blood sugar. Cinnamon has also been proven in studies to lower triglycerides and total cholesterol levels, both of which are risk factors for heart disease. Consistent cinnamon eating for at least 8 weeks has been found to lower blood pressure. When these characteristics are combined,
They help minimize the chance of developing heart disease.
7.
Cinnamon may protect against cancer.
Cinnamon has been investigated for its possible applications in cancer prevention and treatment.
According to test tube and animal research, cinnamon extracts may protect against cancer by inhibiting cancer cell development and blood vessel creation.
Cinnamaldehyde, a chemical known to be harmful to cancer cells, has been demonstrated to inhibit the production of specific proteins implicated in cancer progression. However, additional research is needed to determine cinnamon's possible anti-cancer properties in humans. While animal and test tube studies suggest that cinnamon may protect against cancer, further research is required to appreciate its potential completely. 8. It may have beneficial effects on neurodegenerative diseases. A gradual loss of nerve cell structure or function distinguishes neurodegenerative illnesses like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Cinnamon contains chemicals that suppress tau protein development in the brain, characteristic of Alzheimer's disease. In a 2014 study of mice with Parkinson's disease, cinnamon protected neurons, balanced neurotransmitter levels,
and enhanced motor performance.
However, further human analysis is required to understand these impacts properly.
9. It may have antiviral properties.
Cinnamon from cassia may protect against viruses like HIV-1, influenza, and dengue.
However, more research is required to establish these impacts. While human research is limited, test tube studies indicate that cinnamon may be effective against HIV-1, influenza, and dengue. Additional human trials are required to corroborate these findings. 10. It may prevent bacterial and fungal infections.
Cinnamaldehyde, a fundamental component of cinnamon, has been shown to have antifungal and antibacterial characteristics, which may help to reduce infections, tooth decay, and bad breath. Cinnamon oil has been shown in test tubes to destroy fungi that cause respiratory tract infections and suppress the growth of bacteria such as Listeria and Salmonella. However, further human studies are required to properly grasp cinnamon's antibacterial characteristics and potential benefits.
11. Cinnamon nutrition.
Cinnamon is a spice commonly used in modest doses and contains micronutrients such as calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and potassium. A teaspoon of cinnamon includes 2.6 grams of nutrients, including calories, fat, carbohydrates, fiber, salt, sugar, protein, calcium, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, and vitamin A. How to use cinnamon? Cinnamon is a widely used spice and food preservative in bread, pastries, chocolates, soups, and meats. It is available in different forms, such as ground cinnamon, essential oil, rolls, and tablets. Consuming 1/3 to 1 teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon powder daily can provide health benefits. However, there is no recommended dosage, and individual sensitivities may vary. You can add cinnamon to recipes like oatmeal, smoothies, and tea.
If you experience any reactions, stop using it. Types of cinnamon.
Cinnamon comes in 2 varieties, Ceylon and cassia.
Cassia is cheaper but has a toxic compound called coumarin.
Ceylon is a healthier option but more expensive and complicated to find.
Both have health benefits.
Cinnamon side effects, risks. Cassia cinnamon, a coumarin spice, can affect the liver and interfere with some medications, including statins and oral diabetes treatments. Cinnamon is generally safe to consume in modest doses, but extended usage might be troublesome, particularly for sensitive individuals. Cinnamon is usually healthy for pregnant or lactating women, but its safety in more significant amounts remains unknown. Spice allergies are uncommon. However, those allergic to cinnamon may have symptoms when consumed, inhaled, or touched. To avoid this, avoid cinnamon powder and any products that include it. Please note, the video and its associated articles and websites, as well as all text, images, and other content on the channel, are provided solely for educational purposes. The content does not replace professional medical diagnosis, treatment, or advice. Thank you. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? We want to hear from you. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And click on the notification bell to ensure you never miss the next video. Thank you.